Have you heard about the Sing for Wales, Bryn? You're like belting out the odd tune.
An odd tune it is too, Lydia. Tuneless I am. Hey, Lydia, did you know the Welsh national anthem was written and homegrown in Pontypridd?
Well then, Bryn, what better way is there for us to say thank you to all those going above and beyond to help us fight this virus?
Together we will beat this.
Mae hyn wlad fy nhadau yn anwyl I mi, gwlad baedd a chantorion enwogion o bri. Ai gwrol raberwydd, gwlad garwyd raman, dros ryddid call y sant a'i gwaed. Gwlad, gwlad, plaid olwyf I'm gwlad, tramor yn fyr, i'r fyr o ffai, o bydded i'r heniaeth barhau.
Oh, Bryn! Where have you been hiding that voice? That was amazing! We did Wales proud for there then. Well done.
I agree. Now let's stay in, protect the NHS, save lives, and have a cuppa, is it, Lydia?